this funnel phone. It's a transmission funnel, but if I played it from behind a partition, you would never think that it's a funnel. My name is William Emerson, but I'm more known by Abu the Flute Maker. I've been Abu the Flute Maker for 45 years. And I got that name, Abu, from a neighbor whom I met when I got out of the military. I've made over 200 different types of musical instruments, and I sold a lot of them. I have a bass harp that I made from a garbage can. I have thumb pianos made from sardine cans and bobby pins. Kalimbas out of dresser drawers and spring steel. Noise became notes to me. One day we were moving and the mirror fell off the bureau and hit the steps in the pavement, and I heard the glass go bing bing blang blang bling blang blang. I said, oh my goodness, it's music in the glass. So I got a glass cutter and I cut the mirror up into bar shapes, placed them on a track, and made what I call a celestial phone, which is a xylophone out of glass. And after then, I started making instruments out of all sorts of things.
Hey, watch out, 'cause I'm coming for you. Baby girl, KK, tell me what you do. DC, you can't see me. Hey, check it be.
When I started making flutes, by me being an artist, I would paint various different flowers and birds and things on the flutes. And I would sell these flutes, but I heard some people say, yeah, they're pretty flutes and they look nice and everything, but they're not authentic because they're not from Africa. So I went on my head, so I started lying and telling people I was from Africa because I knew a lot of the language. I would say, I told my uncle was a camel driver in Sudan, and I went on TV lying. And I went in the newspaper. Before then, they wouldn't give me the time of day. People started buying my flutes more. The school system hired me. The Department of Recreation and Parks hired me. I said, wow. And I played the role down to the max. I was hired to do a show at the neighborhood arts circus years ago. And while I was down there demonstrating my instruments, these little boys was out there, and I heard one of them say to the other one, oh man, he can do all that stuff because he's from Africa. And that affected me. At that point, I said, I didn't want that to jump off, so I felt real bad about that. I stopped lying. I started telling the truth about who I was and where I was from. But by me being African American, before then they wouldn't give me the time of day, But when I said I was from Africa, I got plenty of work. I started telling the truth about who I was and where I was from. I don't know what these people are putting in my bucket in return. You know what I mean there? But they show appreciation, and I like the spirit of all the beautiful people that I come in contact with, so. I prayed for a profession that I could get paid doing something that I love to do, and the good Lord blessed me.